In this question, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 16 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that height of the tower is 8 meter. AB is tower. BCD is ground level. First point is at 4 meter distance. Second point is at 16 meter distance from the base of the tower. Angle of elevation are complementary. D और C से टावर की टॉप का एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन कंप्लीमेंट्री है. डी से एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन सपोज थीटा, तो सी से एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 90 माइनस थीटा. एंगल डी इज थीटा, तो एंगल सी इज 90 माइनस थीटा. We have to prove that height of the tower is 8 meter. We have to find height of tower. Suppose height of tower is h meter. Point C is at 4 meter distance from the base of the tower. Point D is at 16 meter distance from the base of the tower. Here we have two right triangles. In right triangle ABC, in right triangle ABC, we have tan of this angle equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan 90 minus theta equal to perpendicular upon base. For this AB is perpendicular, base is CB, AB is H. We suppose that height of tower is h meter, CB is 4 meter, or tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So cot theta equal to h upon 4. Cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta equal to h upon 4. By cross multiplying, 4 equal to h tan theta, or tan theta equal to 4 upon h. Tan 90 minus theta equal to h upon 4. Tan 90 minus theta equal to h upon 4. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot is reverse of tan, so 1 upon tan equal to h upon 4. 4 into 1 4. Tan theta into h, h tan theta. So tan theta equal to 4 upon h. This is equation number 1. Now come to second right triangle ABD. In right triangle ABD, in right triangle ABD, we have in right triangle ABD we have tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. For this, perpendicular is AB, base is DB. What is AB? AB is H. What is DB? DB is 16. So tan theta equal to H upon 16. So tan theta equal to H upon 16. This is equation number 2. Put tan theta equal to 4 upon h in this. Putting putting tan theta equal to 4 upon h, we get what we get. Tan theta is 4 upon h. Put 4 upon h. 4 upon h equal to h upon 16. By cross multiplying h into h square, 16 4 the 64, और 64 is 8 square. Taking square root of both sides, h equal to 8 meter. So height of tower is 8 meter. Again understand this question. AB is tower whose height is h. There are 2 points on the ground. First point is at 4 meter from the base of tower. Second point is at 16 meter from the base of the tower. Angle of elevation from D and C of the top of the tower are complementary. So if we take D equal to theta, then angle C is 90 minus theta. So put tan theta equal to h upon 16. Put tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan theta equal to h upon 16. Tan theta equal to h upon 16. In this triangle, tan 90 minus theta equal to h upon 4. So tan 90 minus theta equal to h upon 4. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot equal to 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10 equal to h upon 4. So 4 equal to h tan theta. Tan theta equal to 4 upon h. Put tan theta equal to 4 upon h in equation second. यहाँ पे हमने पुट किया tan theta equal to 4 upon h, तो 4 upon h equal to h upon 16. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, h into h square, 16 into 4 64. So h square equal to 8 square. Taking square root, we have h equal to 8 meter.